Hi guys, we're back to another new video. So today we're going to Frankfurt with the high-speed train.
So come along and enjoy the video. Again to Frankfurt?
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be a long journey. You gonna drive?
Yeah.
Okay. Your car? The one, show people your car, the one you're holding. Show people the car you're holding. Hey. So, yeah. You're gonna enter. Don't be scared. Someone's in a hurry. Let him go. He's in a hurry. Let the child get in first. I never allow a child to get in. So, just go look for a place to sit. Go further. Wait for this one to go. Okay, let's go. Let's go further. It's not a must. So we're gonna look for a place to sit now. Guys, Eden is in the intercity high-speed train and it's going to Frankfurt. See how relaxed he is. He's feeling so good. And he's shy now. You're shy man, close your mouth. So because we did not eat breakfast, I'm just taking my soft here, orange juice, and then is having his bread here and some muesli and chips. So as you continue the journey. So guys, we just came out from the aeroplane, from the train, and we are in Frankfurt. So that's the harbor of. Huh? You don't want even to make pictures. You just want to go. Where do you want to go?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board the IC to Stuttgart Central. Our last stop, Frankfurt. We left with a delay of 6 minutes and should reach.
Ethan in the high-speed train is enjoying every bit. He's so happy. You feeling cold?
Yeah.
I bring the blanket.
Yeah.
Okay.